Hello, today we're doing an unboxing of an ultrasonic cleaner for dental use. It's the iCanClean ultrasonic cleaner. It's a 5-liter capacity ultrasonic cleaner. So let's begin. We have the instruction manual. So it's the iCanClean 05, which means it's a 5-liter capacity. It has a gross weight of 5.4 kilograms and a 120 watt ultrasonic motor and a 200 watt heating element. It uses the 40 kilohertz frequency, and you can set the temperature and time. The temperature from 1 to 80 degrees Celsius and the time from 1 to 99 minutes. Okay, so let's see what's in the package. Nice thick piece of protective foam and the actual cleaner. Which looks like this. As you can see, the height is pretty big. It's a all stainless steel body and lid. It comes with a basket for the dental instruments, and the power cord, a smaller basket for burrs and endodontic files and smaller instruments, and a bigger basket for your instruments. That's the actual interior surface of the cleaner. It also has a filtration device for so the front panel has the heat controls and the time controls. It also has a drainage for easier draining of the solution. Easy to use handles, and a minimum and a maximum levels for knowing how much solution you put in. So we'll come back and do a proper review of the unit after we test it out.